One of the first things you got to do when you have a YouTube channel is get it verified with YouTube. It's a simple process, but a lot of people forget to do that until they make a video longer than 15 minutes and realize they can't upload it. So there's some advantages to having your YouTube channel verified. It's super easy. I'm going to show you real quick, but it allows for certain things like custom thumbnails, allowing you to go live, having videos longer than 15 minutes, linking to external sites and your annotations, things like that. Let me show you how to do it. Let's do it. This is a brand new YouTube channel I'm doing for a band called Loch Ness Landline. So what I want to first do is go into the YouTube beta. I've already signed in. I'm going to go to the YouTube Studio area, and this is still in beta. That could change, but it's going to be pretty similar. After I'm in this area, I want to verify this. So I'm going to go actually over to Classic. So we're going to change our studio view over to Creator Studio Classic, and just hit the skip button when you see that. And this is the way it used to look, so you can still access this, which is nice. You're going to go to Channel, right here, and then in the Status and Features area, you're going to verify it. Okay, now this verifying your account allows you to upload videos that are more than 15 minutes long, go to external sites, custom thumbnails, all kinds of cool stuff. So we're going to verify it. It's really easy to do. You just hit verify, then you say text me a verification number. So you put your phone number in, and after you get that number, so we're going to put in the number that we got in our text. We're going to hit submit, and boom, it's verified. Very, very, very easy. If this video was helpful to you, will you please hit that like button and consider subscribing and sharing this with somebody that you think could benefit from this video. We love passing on solutions that make life a little more stupid easy. One more thing, we have a crash course we do very regularly. And it's totally free, and it's all about how to build an online course. We give a whole crash course on how we do this. If that interests you at all, you can sign up below. There's a register button below in the comments. We would love to see you there. All right, guys, that's it for this week. We will see you on the next video.